The cassette tape. Here, let me flip the screen around. Ooh, that's me right there. Let's just put that right there. No, let's put it right here. Oh yeah, looks wonderful. I think that's good enough. Let's get some other footage. Alright, we're gonna jump history. Alright, we're gonna go look at some other stuff. Hey, look at my guitars. Look at that thing. Look at those things. Here, let's go outside. Actually, no, I don't want to go outside. We got our little thingy here. I wonder what else I could show. Maybe a box of shit. Hey, this is pretty time accurate. A VHS tape. I don't really see those anymore. Let's try zooming in on some stuff. I've heard the zoom on this camera can be wonky. Yeah, that's not great. Put my eye down the lens. Yeah, I think I have the steady shot on, and that's not very good at all.